So we are in Glacier National Park. Super pretty. We're gonna try to hike up to Iceberg Lake. We went here like last year with Valentina and Luke and my dad. But apparently it's all snowed in, so we're gonna see how far we can get. It's like 80 degrees here, so we didn't bring any snow gear. But we're gonna try to get as far as we can, or at least till we can see it, and then we're gonna turn around, and then we gotta go back about 2 hours. So far it's sick. We're staying in a teepee type thing that Sim found. So, but all right. That's our third bear we've spotted so far. And look at these. These are literally all the flowers that are just surrounding the pathway when you walk up here. There's so many flowers and there's thousands of caterpillars. So we're gonna have to go up around this big mountain, and then the actual Iceberg Lake is like right there. So it is a 10-mile round trip, but I think we can do it. So we didn't actually make it to the lake. So we didn't actually make it to the lake because I wanted to go to another location for sunset to get a photo there. So then after this, I ran out of storage, and we ended up driving all the way up to Lopez. And then we ended up driving. Where are we? Come on, man.
Oh shit! I didn't know you're filming.
God damn it! God damn it!
We are in Zion.
Okay, we're not. We're in St. George.
We're very close to Zion. I am currently homeless right now. So
John packs up all his shit in Reading and is just mobbing across the country looking for somewhere to move to.
You think I can make this last for a week? Because this is all I got.
But, so we gotta go show John a place to put all his stuff to camp until he finds a place to live. And Sim and I are headed to Moab. We're gonna make our way back to Florida. So we got a bit, and then we have to pack up all our shit and move back across to California.
So smash the shit out of the like button.
Setup for tonight. We decided to stay and camp here with John because it was so pretty. We were supposed to go up to Moab, but you know. Why don't you check out John's setup? Look at this. Okay, this is literally his bed. Boom. Oh shit. Woo! Oh yeah.
Foamy.
Getting to it. There was a crazy lightning storm and lots of rain. We got rained out, and we're just sleeping in the back of the truck. So we put our little like cover over, and minimal leakage, not too bad. So today we're actually headed up to Moab. know. And Sim is trying to learn how to film, so if these next clips are kind of subpar, you know why? Because it's in Sim's hands. So anyway, we're headed there. We're trying to get there before sunset. So we're gonna get there at 8:37. Sunset is at 8:45, 8:50. So are we going 25 over? No, we're not. All right, we made it. Hello. How are you? Good, man. How are you? Good. You're not gonna say hi to people when you walk by them, Sim? Yeah? She's really impatient. It's 2 arches, not just one.
Yep.
No, that's insane.
Big trick.
Big tricks. So, the whole plan was to get here for sunset. Now, we didn't do it. We were just gonna pass through and keep on going, but I think we'll camp here. So. Okay, so we found a place to sleep. We're right on the river, and we have been playing with bugs for like 40 minutes.
Okay, well we woke up. We're in Moab right now. We woke up on the side of the Colorado River. And then we spent all morning in the river, running around, and now we are on our way to Denver.
Alright guys, so as you would have just saw, we drove through the night. I think we did about 1,000 miles. So right now it is 6 in the morning, and we're just gonna see how far we can go before we crash. Alright, it's 7 p.m. the next day. We still have not slept. We're just gonna make it back. So like, we're gonna stop and like take our time, but we really gotta get back. It's day 52.
Yeah.
Day 52. And so we've just been mobbing it. I think we're going on close to 30 hours of straight driving. And then we're in this horrific traffic, and I don't actually know where I'm supposed to be going. So I'm just staying middle. But I'll show you some more clips, but that's pretty much it. Yeah. Alright, it's currently 3:44 a.m. We got 54 minutes left, and we are about to finish a 52-day trip. Oh, let's go, we made it.
Finally! I have to pee so bad.
That was a mish. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. We did make it back safely, and I think it was something like a 12,000 mile trip. We just pretty much mobbed the whole country, just zigzagged the whole time. So our whole summer was spent on the road. But we got back, we actually set up this apartment to get listed, and so we finished that, and I think in about a month we're gonna actually drive back across the country to California, because that's where we're moving to. So I will see you guys then.